Best deals.
1. Chopper. Featuring a 350 ml capacity and sharp 304 stainless steel blades. It's ideal for chopping garlic, vegetables, onions, and nuts, making food preparation easy and quick, even outdoors. Simplify your cooking with the intuitive one-touch operation of this mini food processor. Its detachable design allows for quick and easy cleaning. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Squeegee. Unique angle design for reaching nooks and corners, enables a swift pull action. All these parts are made with extremely high quality material. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Milk pan. The specialized induction base ensures even heat distribution, reducing cooking time and energy consumption. Made with high quality, food-safe stainless steel for healthy and safe cooking. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Rack. Crafted from high-quality materials, this kitchen rack offers both durability and elegance. The kitchen accessories add a touch of sophistication to your bathroom decor. This kitchen organizer is designed to keep your essentials neatly arranged, providing a clutter-free environment. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Milk frother. Ideal coffee blender, electric and coffee beater mini for home or travel. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Washboard basin. Featuring a robust design with a thick, durable material, this washing board offers exceptional strength and longevity. The reinforced bottom and rim ensure strong bearing capacity, providing you with a reliable tool for extended use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cooker. With its stainless steel inner lid, it can resist repeated usage at high temperatures while maintaining the highest levels of durability. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Soap dispenser. Designed with user comfort in mind, our sponges feature ergonomic shapes and grips to ensure secure and comfortable hold during use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Coffee maker. Made from food-grade stainless steel and patented MFP material, this coffee maker is dishwasher safe, chip-resistant, and antibacterial. It's built to last and offers a reliable, hygienic way to store, serve, and enjoy hot beverages. Coffee maker ensures quick percolation for efficient brewing. Ideal for mornings and coffee breaks, it delivers your favorite hot beverage in minutes, helps to maintain the natural taste and warmth. Ideal for households and small office use where fresh, aromatic coffee is a must-have. The design gives proper infusion and extraction, maintaining the authentic taste of filter coffee, black coffee, or tea. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. Height adjustable telescopic handle, ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily, has 360-degree rotating head. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage rack. Made from high-quality metals like steel or aluminum, these racks can support significant weight, making them ideal for storing heavy tools, equipment, or bulk items. This rotating multi-layer kitchen shelf round can be disassembled and used separately. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Sandwich maker. Designed to deliver quick, easy, and hygienic breakfasts with its powerful 750W performance. From a light golden glow to a deep, rich brown, our 7 calibrated heating modes let you toast as per your preferences. Effortlessly defrost refrigerated bread or reheat already toasted slices, bringing convenience to your busy mornings. Focus on getting ready while the toaster handles your breakfast. It automatically pops up when your toast is perfectly done. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Scrub. Cos metal mesh loops create a scouring effect to clean any rust or dried substances on a dish. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cast iron kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron kadai is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Fry pan. Made from healthy ceramic coating, which is free from PFAS, PFOA, leads and chemicals, it ensures worry-free cooking and is sizzle-ready for hassle-free use. It features toxin-free ceramic coating and a toughened glass lid. Ergonomic Bakelite handles provide a soft touch. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Curd maker. Achieve thick, delicious yogurt effortlessly with our fine mesh strainer. The 1100 ml capacity is ideal for crafting large batches with perfect consistency. Beyond yogurt, easily strained smoothies, juices, and cheese, fine mesh ensures smooth results without unwanted residues. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Water dispenser. Featuring an upgraded powerful motor and pump, this 20L water dispenser can pump up to 2 liters of water in just 1 minute, providing a quick and convenient way to quench your thirst. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Condiment pots. Suit for your different needs. Thoughtful design adds each storage container a spoon and removable wooden lids to prevent from moisture and dust. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Basket. Crafted from high-quality plastic material, making it exceptionally durable and long-lasting. Its robust construction ensures that it can withstand the rigors of daily use without losing its shape or functionality. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Mocha pot. Made from premium-grade aluminium for long-lasting durability. Provides a thorough and even heat distribution for enhanced flavor. Temperature-resistant handle allows for easy and safe pouring. The safety release valve controls water pressure. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Coffee grinder. Equipped with 40 mm hardened steel burrs which creates very little heat to preserve the flavor and aroma. Anti-static technology makes the ground coffee chamber mess-free, preventing coffee grounds from flying around and messing up the worktop. The coffee grinder burr is also easy to maintain and clean. The built-in brush, removable upper burr, hopper, chamber for easy cleaning of the item. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Dustbin. Simply wave your hand, and the lid opens automatically. This hands-free feature helps maintain a hygienic environment, especially useful when your hands are full or dirty. Perfect for busy moms multitasking around the house. This feature is great for busy moms, as well as older people or those with mobility issues, eliminating the need to bend down to open the bin. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Napkin holder. Square-shaped napkin holder crafted with elegant gold finish metal and decorative ball feet for a royal appearance. Perfect for dining tables, kitchen counters, outdoor settings, and restaurants. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Shirt cover. Effortlessly declutter your closet and keep your shirts in top-notch condition. Crafted with high-quality non-woven fabric for protection against dust, wrinkles, and moisture. Maximize your closet space with these slim, yet spacious shirt covers, perfect for a tidy wardrobe. Transparent window for quick identification of your favorite shirts. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Door bumper. Designed for reduce the wall damage from banging doors, keeping a quiet door opening. No more noise of doors banging against the wall by naughty kids, no more dented marks on wall. Including 4 PCS in total, can be used in living room, bedroom, bathroom, baby room, anywhere you need. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Ghee pot. Is typically made from stainless steel, which is a durable and non-reactive material that does not impart any taste or odor to the ghee. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Pet hair remover. Just pinch the silicone pad and give it a few shakes, hair collects in the tray, ready to toss. The smooth opening tray makes disposal quick. Spend less time cleaning the cleaner and more time enjoying a hair-free home. Works like a charm on dog, cat, rabbit, and even human hair. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Oil sprayer. Dispenser is made of food-grade, BPA-free polypropylene material and thick, unbreakable, lead-free glass. Transparent glass allows users to easily monitor the oil level, making it convenient to use and manage. Boasts a unique spray nozzle that delivers a wide angle. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Ironing board. Perfect for compact homes, apartments, and laundry rooms. This foldable ironing board mounts on the wall and folds flat, just 3 inches thickness, to save floor space and keep your home clutter-free. Generously sized ironing area, 89 times 33 centimeters, handles shirts, trousers, and linens easily, giving you the convenience of a full-sized board without taking over your room. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Chopper. High-quality stainless steel blades for easy chopping, sharp pyramid-shaped cutting blade for efficient and smooth cutting. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Bowl. Jugs feature easy pour spouts, vertical handles and non-slip bases. Citrus juicer clips into measuring jug for use. Citrus juicer fits neatly into the measuring jug, allowing you to squeeze the right amount of juice for your recipes. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Corner shelf. Made of iron and has a powder coat to protect it from rust, corrosion and abrasions. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Lunch bag. Made of the finest borosilicate glass, the leak-proof boxes are 100% microwavable, up to 350 degrees Celsius, 100% oven-safe, 100% stain-proof and leach no chemicals into your food. These are dishwasher safe. You can also clean them with water and soap. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Trivet. Mats can be used for placing planter, hot platters or as coasters for multiple mugs and glasses. The blank cork board is also suitable for DIY projects. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Pot stand. Designed for flat-bottomed water pots only. It features a beautiful and trendy design with a unique style and long-lasting shine. Easy to fill bottles, cups, or pitchers from your filters, not just a short cup due to 8.5-inch height. Optimize your kitchen or office space with this stand. It efficiently organizes your water pot, glass, and water collection tray, keeping your area tidy and easily accessible. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Lunch box. The containers have BPA-free airtight lids. This will prevent moisture from damaging your cooked food. These lids are also leak-proof so your food will not come out from the container even if it's semi-liquid. Microwave use instructions for containers, suitable for normal microwave use. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Chopper. This hand chopper combines durability with ease of use, making it perfect for preparing vegetables, fruits, and herbs with precision. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Pantry storage. This turntable organizer allows smooth, full-circle rotation, giving you quick and effortless access to all your stored items, whether it's spices in the kitchen or fridge or cosmetics in the bathroom. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Idli maker. Designed for efficiency, our molds help you make perfect idlis with less batter waste, saving time and ingredients. No greasing needed. The superior non-stick silicone ensures easy idli release and quick cleanup. Consistently perfect idlis. Enjoy evenly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis every time. Easy and effortless cooking. Line your traditional idli plates with silicone idli mold for easy and an effortless cooking experience. Our flexible design makes steaming and serving a breeze. Premium food-grade silicone, crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic silicone for safe and durable use. Temperature-resistant, heat-resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for steaming, baking, microwaving, and even freezing. Versatile and multi-purpose, more than just idlis. Use it for dokla, cupcakes, steamed dumplings, and more. Place the silicone idli mold on the idli plate, pour the batter onto the silicone idli mold, steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes before removing idlis. Push the silicone idli mold from the back to remove the idlis. Perfect shaped idlis are ready to eat. When not in use, store the molds in a closed box or container. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Fruit Infuser Water Bottle. Elegant and unique bottle design gets everyone around you talking. It helps you drink your favorite fruit-infused brews anywhere. Retains the original beverage flavor. Perfect detox brews in just 5 minutes. Easy to carry around for office, travel, and gym. This infuser bottle will help you drink your favorite fruit-infused detox brews in style. This travel bottle looks sleek, stylish and modern. This unique bottle helps you make your own style statement. This stylish-looking infuser bottle will get people around you talking. This bottle guarantees attention from your friends and colleagues. Unique design and finishing gives this bottle a premium look. This infuser bottle comes with a unique time markings on the exterior, which can help you monitor your daily water intake. Product link is given in the 40th link.